Welcome to Expertrain's one-day Microsoft Power BI Desktop Introduction course. The aim of this course is to enable you to use Power BI Desktop to create interactive, data-driven reports that facilitate informed decision-making within your organization. This course is designed for individuals with an intermediate understanding of Excel, including experience with formulas, functions, charts, and filters. By the end of this course, you'll be able to understand key Power BI Desktop features, connect to Excel data and perform simple calculations, use Power BI visuals, apply conditional formatting, and more. This course is available on regular public scheduled dates and is delivered virtually using Microsoft Teams, allowing you to attend from the comfort of your home or office. If you have multiple staff members who would like to attend, we can also arrange a private group course, either virtually or in person at your location. Our trainers are based in the UK and our standard course timings are 9:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. However, we can adjust these timings for private group courses, which can be especially beneficial for those joining from overseas. A full list of topics covered on this course can be found on our website. If you would like any further information regarding this course or to make a booking, please email inquiries at expertrain.co.uk. Expertrain, your pathway to excellence in IT and professional development.